The figure ABCD shows a rectangular piece of paper, and the paper is folded the line AE, so over here, where BE is equal to EC. Alright, so they are saying that this one is 56 degrees, find AEF, which is this. So we're going to put a question mark here to remind ourselves. Okay, so let's strategize. In order to find this angle, what angles do we need? We probably need this, and then we probably need this one. So once we have these two angles, we just take 180 degrees minus this, we will be able to get this, because the sum of angles in the triangle 1, 2, 3 will give me 180 degrees for all triangles. Now, how do we find this one? Remember previously I taught you that if you were to fold a piece of paper, this angle will be the same as this angle. So I've already proven to you in the previous video. So I'm not going to prove it to you again for this time around. So if you want, you just go and watch the previous video where I proved to you that if you fold the paper, these two angles will definitely and must be the same. Okay, so how do we find this one? The total thing is 90 degrees because it's a rectangular piece of paper. If the entire thing here is 90 degrees, you just have to take 90 minus 56. Then this angle divide by 2 because they're both equal. Okay, so I'm going to find this angle first. So for this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus 56 degrees, everything divided by 2. 90 minus 56, that will give me 34, divided by 2, and that will give me 17 degrees. Which means that this one, each of them will be 17. So I got the first one that I need. Now, how do I find this one? Okay, so in order to find this one, okay, let's try to figure out. We actually folded this corner from this corner, and this corner is 90 degrees. When you fold it from here to here, the angle does not change at all. Okay, because you are just folding the entire piece of paper, you are not changing the angle. So this entire thing will be a right angle. Will be a right angle, which means that this one is 90 degrees. So now you got this 90, this one is 17. So for this one, how to find this? Sum of angle is 180, so take 180 minus 90 minus 17, you'll be able to find angle AEF. So right here, AEF will be arrow 180 minus 90 minus 17, and that will give us 90 minus 17, and that will give us 73 degrees. So over here, this will be 73 degrees. Okay, so remember, this is very important. Folded question, right, always come out one. Folding a piece of paper, folding a piece of cloth, blah blah blah, whatever it is, as long as it folds, the angle at which it folds will be the same as the angle that it creates after folding. This is something that you must remember. Alright, done.